This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Bedsole. Come see this adorable ranch with a huge den addition, a flex room/bedroom and a nice laundry room. All the main items have been taken care of with a newer water heater and roof, new gutters and HVAC. Move-in ready. The backyard has room for a garden, a big deck, lots of yard space and a shed. The neighborhood has sidewalks and wide streets. Plenty of parking. Very convenient to schools, shopping and interstates. November 7, 2024. For more information, review the details below.